Hi! Today I will give you some basic knowledge about Sophos Firewall. Sophos was founded by Jan Ruska and Peter Lammer and began. Sophos introduced its first antivirus and encryption in 1985. More than 432,000 organizations currently use Sophos Central to secure their organization, and it covers more than 150 nations. Sophos headquarters is at Abingdon, United Kingdom. Tomo Bravo is the owner of Sophos. Nowadays Sophos uses next-generation firewall technology, that is XG Firewall, in collaboration with SGUTM and CyberOhm Technologies. The name of the operating system that is used by Sophos is SFOS. The first version of SF operating system was v15. Sophos XG Firewall feature includes web protection, that is uses gateway-level antivirus to protect network form gate malware, URL filtering, etc. Another most important feature of Sophos Firewall is application control, which control risky applications, torrent, VPN, etc. Third features includes email protection. That is gateway-level spam filtering feature, available in Sophos for both in incoming and outgoing email. Another one is wireless protection. By using this features we can protect Sophos access point only. It acts as wireless controller for Sophos access point. And the next feature of Sophos Firewall is web server protection. It protects against web applications. Then synchronized security, endpoint, network, mobile, Wi-Fi, email, all sharing information in real time and responding automatically to incidents, which includes restrict Wi-Fi for non-compliant mobile devices, scan endpoints on detection of compromised mailboxes, isolate infected endpoints, identify all apps on the network. Another feature of Sophos Firewall is Sandstorm. When Sophos found some unknown threats, it enables the live protection and reports the ransomware, etc. Another one is sandbox protection. A sandbox is an isolated environment used to run suspicious files attached to emails and downloaded from websites to determine if they contain malware. Now let's overall focused on Sophos XG Firewall 19.5 features. That includes extreme SD-WAN and routing, IPsec VPN concurrent tunnel capacity, dynamic routing with OSPF v3, extreme protection and performance, extreme fast path acceleration for TLS encrypted traffic, high availability, HA, status, visibility and ease of use, redundant link support, other quality of life enhancements, host and service object search, enhanced .log file storage, Azure AD SSO for web console UI login, enhanced 40G interface support. So don't worry, we will discuss all these things one by one in our lab session. Now I will tell you about different models of Sophos Firewall. Most of the XG series appliances available hardware appliance, software appliance and virtual appliances. Hardware appliances comes with latest multi-core technology with RAM and SSD. These are used in very large, medium and small-scale industries. In hardware appliance sometimes we hear about throughput, so what is that? The amount of data that is transmitted successfully from one place to another place in a given period of time. Sophos Firewall comes with Mbps or Gbps throughput. When you buy any model of Sophos Firewall you get it from the data sheet. For example, in Sophos XG310 model the throughputs are firewall throughput is 28,000 in Mbps per second. That is firewall throughput equals raw firewall throughput, without any extra protection. VPN throughput 2750 in Mbps per second. NGFW throughput capacity is 4000 in Mbps per second. XG proxy throughput capacity is 3300 in Mbps per second. x86 Rev 1 is the smallest firewall available in XG series. 1U and 2U modes are available. These models are mounted on network rack. We will discuss all these things one by one in our lab section. So don't worry about the new things you learn in this tutorial. Now I have opened one data sheet for you. In this data sheet, first 3 columns are model, hardware specification, and throughput. In model column you have different models of Sophos firewall. In this column from XG85 model to XG135 model, W is written, that W represents the wireless model. These models having wireless technology. And rest of the model don't have wireless technology. Next column is form factor. You see from 85 to XG135 models, desktop is written. That means, in these models rack mount facilities are not available. Expect that in all the model rack mount facilities available. Maximum network port in GE. That is maximum number of gigabyte Ethernet port. In XG85 maximum number of physical ports are 4. Similarly in XG310, maximum number of gigabyte Ethernet port is 18. We can add another 8 port. It is having 2 SFP port for fiber and having 1 expansion slots to add add-on cards. Next, Wi-Fi. It shows details of Wi-Fi configuration. Storage capacity. How much GB of data that can be stored in these devices. Memory. RAM that is available in each devices. Swappable components means, when firewall wall is running you can remove these components. When we talk about XG650 and XG750, these are comes with external power adapter, also SSD and fan. Then, these are the throughput values. In XG125, firewall throughput value is 5000 MBS. Okay. Similarly in XG750 IPS throughput value is 17,000 megabits per second. This is the high-end devices. Okay. When you buy any Sophos firewall you must know about concurrent user. Current user means at a time numbers of user login. For example, in XG310 the maximum numbers of users login in one specific time is 350. In XG310 model, there is 1 LCD display is present. 2 USB port, 1 COM port. 1 expansion bay, 1 micro USB port also present. 8 numbers of gigabyte Ethernet port. SFP port also available.